Hi friends, in this video we'll see how to process null in SQL. Now before coming to the definition of null, let me create a record which contains null. So in this video, the data you are seeing here is consumer table, and if you are new to SQL and if you want to know how to insert this table and how to insert these values, go and check back the videos under SQL Practical Guide in my channel. So I'll start directly from null values. In this table, let me insert another consumer ID 1005, which has consumer category, gender and birthday, these three as null. Now how to process this record? Okay, so I've inserted a row with 1005. Let me execute this. So that is how we, now although no one enters this, but just for this test case scenario, let's say somebody imported the data from Excel and there was nothing assigned to particular columns, and that's how the null means nothing. When there is nothing entered into some column, into some cell, those values get assigned the null value. Null means nothing, not even space, not even zero. So that is what null is, when there is nothing assigned. So now the question is, how can I, if in my record, in my database, I have hundreds of thousands of records and I want to see how many nulls are there. How to check that? Select, let me write query to identify nulls. There, consumer category, we can't use where clause here, instead the thing is null. Where consumer category is null, right? Or we can count this. So we do not use where clause for null, instead we use is null. There are two such records. Or how about the other way around? When there is not null, how do we use that? Is not null. It's simple. Now let's execute this. It's is not null. So we got all those records which are not null. So that's how to work on the null data. And we cannot use equals to, or what if I use equal to null? No, that will give me error. So this doesn't bring up. So for null, we only use is null. Right? Thank you for watching.